Yvonne has been a preschool teacher at Oakdale Elementary in District 622 for 7 years. In addition to being an amazing teacher, she helps make our district-wide early learning programs better. Yvonne has been running the subject area committee for the past several years. She helps look at our curriculum and our program needs to see what types of curriculum would be a good fit for our preschool program. Yvonne has a passion and a leadership guide in our program to be a place where families want to send their child. Yvonne is an awesome teacher, and she's a member that is always there to give resources and ideas to support colleagues. She pushes our team to think harder about our values, visions, and our goals. Yvonne helps implement professional development that is meaningful to the preschool and the special ed teams. Our program is better because we have such an amazing teacher who has dedicated their work like Yvonne. Miss B rocks.
I am especially proud of the amount of returning families that our preschool program gets. You really have bonded with them and know them well. Watching the children grow up all the way up to 5th grade and seeing their successes and improvements, and they have so much growth within that small year. Love Oakdale Elementary, and there's nowhere else I would rather be.